So yes, this is the trade I have taken for the day. 8% of the capital deployed is booked. What a crazy day for Nifty and Bank Nifty traders. Nifty has been on a huge decline from morning itself, and Bank Nifty has been consolidating on the upper side. As you know, Bank Nifty has almost touched its all-time high yesterday, and today in the trading session, Bank Nifty was trying to sustain above that level, but again, it couldn't touch its all-time high, and it came down to 43,818 in the last half an hour of the market, which means till 2:45 p.m. we could see that Bank Nifty was there at one range, and it has been putting wicks here and there, and it was on the range for almost 4 to 5 hours, because in the morning it opened in a gap and it came down to give a good returns in the trade that I have taken yesterday, but I didn't book it because I was sure about the downward movement in the later part of the day if the all-time high was not broken. So what we clearly understood was it came down, it went up to trade in a range for a very long time, and after 2:45 Bank Nifty came down, which has resulted in a very good trading day for me. As you know, I'll show you how much my profits are for the day. It's 45, 555. 555 is my fancy. I mean, it's a number I really like. So I'm very happy to see this profits. So I'll tell you my trade setup. So yesterday I had opened 44,000 PE of May last expiry, and I have taken 900 quantities. That's 417.85. And today I have seen good losses of around negative 70,000, negative 90,000 and all in the morning. And then in the later part of the day, that is around I think around 12:30, I have averaged my position. On the later part of this video, you will see that I have averaged my position. So I have averaged it with 900 quantities at 341, which has given me a good time to bounce back from the losses that I had initially. So with 1,800 quantities, I would say I have captured almost 25 points, which has given me a return of about 45,555, which means I have booked almost 8% of the capital that has been deployed in this trade. So yeah, let's jump right into the video and see the trade setup of Bank Nifty in the coming days, and also I'll explain what my trade idea was from yesterday. So let's jump right into the video. Also, all the videos that are posted in this channel would be completely for educational purposes, and we are not semi-registered analysts. Also, for more information, we'll be providing you with a complete stock market course in English so that you will have an idea on how to trade in the markets. And also, yes, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you will be getting our video prompts on timely basis. Yeah, thank you. Let's jump right in. As you all know, Bank Nifty has touched its all-time high, and there was only a difference of about decimal points. So yesterday Bank Nifty has touched its all-time high, and from there it started moving down. So today in the first candle, this is the 1 hour chart of Bank Nifty today. In the first candle, what we can see is Bank Nifty opened and it tried to move down to 43,854. Looking into the 5-minute chart, we can see that Bank Nifty opened at this point and it came down to touch previous day's swing high, and from there it started moving up and it was on a range. So the range was between 44,124 and 44,000. Bank Nifty was getting rejected all the time. When it was touching 44,000, it was trying to move up from there. Looking at 44,000, people are, I guess, very much bullish about Bank Nifty, and there has been so much put in 44,000 in intraday. So after 2:45 p.m, what we could clearly see was a downfall in the market that started at 250, and from a high of about 44,040, it came down to touch 43,816, and it closed around 43,856. So clearly market was, Bank Nifty was not breaking any of the previous lows, and it was trying to break below, but every time it tried to move, it gave a wick and went to the upside or the opposite direction. So the trade that I have taken yesterday was at this point, that is around 44,020, and today when the market, during pre-market, I could see my PNL around negative 14,000, and in the morning the PNL has gone up to 35,000, and from there it went up to almost negative 60 or 70,000, I'm not sure. So it went up till there, but I was very sure about the fall in the market because it was not breaking the previous day's high. That means the all-time high, and it has been consolidating on the range, and every time it touches 44,000, it was bouncing up. That means up, down, up, down, like that it has been moving, and whenever 44,000 was touched, it again moved up. So every time 44,000 was touched, there was a rejection in Bank Nifty. So only after 245 we could see a downward movement, that is a steady downward movement. Even though that was steady, it was eating premiums. It was not eating premiums, it was playing with the premium a lot. So tomorrow what we have to expect also, again, okay, let me complete my trade. So yesterday I have taken 44,000 PE. So we have taken 44,000 PE. Okay, so in the morning I was planning to book my trade, but again my stop loss, I mean the target was not triggered, so I cancelled the trade and I waited till the evening. So again I have taken a trade around 157, that is around 2 p.m, because I wanted to average my position of 900 quantities which I have taken yesterday. So around this point I have taken a trade again 900 quantities at 341.89, and I have booked my whole profit at 405, which is the average came up to almost 379, and I would say I have easily captured around 25 points, which is pretty decent with 1800 quantities. So my averaging is with 900 quantities at 341, and overall 1800 quantities was at an average of about 379, and I have booked 25 points. So what you have to expect in Bank Nifty in the coming days, since Bank Nifty has moved down from the all-time high, we can expect a further downward movement to 43,500. So anytime when Bank Nifty touches this area, that means this area has been respected by Bank Nifty in the previous days. That means whenever Bank Nifty was moving up from a low, this level has been taken as a resistance, and it has been taken as a consolidation zone, and also at one point this area has been taken as a support as well. So this area is drawn considering the previous swing highs and swing lows, and also, I mean, looking back at a looking into almost 3 or 4 months back, I'm not sure, I have plotted it way back. So this is the thing. So when Bank Nifty touches this point, if tomorrow, if this is opening at any point, we can expect a movement towards the upside. But again, what I am anticipating is a downward movement till here, and it may consolidate at this point. And also there are chances that Bank Nifty would come down, take a resistance at this level, and it will move down to a further lower side. But again, I am not that bearish about Bank Nifty. But again, tomorrow I think I will be market will open, it will go down, it will take it will go to a high which is not new, I mean high of the day, and then from there I will go for a PE at 43,500 of May 25th expiry. So this is what I have to say about Bank Nifty. Please be very careful when you are trading with higher capital. So this is what you have to expect with Bank Nifty. Again, looking at all-time highs, when Bank Nifty reached its all-time high before in December, we could see a steady decline from that point of about, so on 9th December, Bank Nifty started moving up. I mean, even before also it started moving up. From there, it touched its all-time high around 44,150, and then it came down to almost 43,077, which is almost 1,000 points in just one day. So that means tomorrow, so right now the condition is it's not a V-shape, a downward movement or something, but again what we can expect is a further fall in the market from 44,150. We can expect this to go down to almost 43,500. So the expectation would be, sorry, would be till 43,500. If that's broken, we will see we'll see BNF moving to 43,000. So this is the trade setup that I have, and I will be getting into positional trades on buying side. So probably we'll have to see what else is there, and then there is a small gap that has to be filled at this point too. So that is around this point between 40 to 700 and 40 to 777, there is a gap to be filled. So if market is breaking below 43,500 and 43,000, we can expect Bank Nifty to move down to fill that gap as well. So and also when we look at the day time frame, this is the trend that is being followed. So this is the trend that is being followed. So until this trend line is broken, we cannot expect Bank Nifty to move down to a lower level. So please keep these consolidation area and this trend line for the reference, as a reference to your trade. The next support or the next stop I would think is, yes, tomorrow when market opens, it will go to a high, and from there we can go for a PE if any of the previous days highs is not, if the previous days highs are not broken, then from tomorrow's fresh high we'll go for a sell, CE sell or PE buy, and the strike I would be choosing would be 43,500 PE of 25th May, and Bank Nifty has to come down to 43,500 according to my view. Also, subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon. You'll be getting prompts of our videos. Thank you.